Our cultivation workshop is back for another year. Grab yourself one of our DIY grow kits and join us for a 3-month workshop as we dive into the world of growing mushrooms at home. My name is Rob. I'm the president of the Ottawa Mushroom Society, the founder of Think Fungi, and the host of this cultivation workshop. This is an online follow along course. That means that you can join from anywhere in the world, but you won't be alone. We have a virtual classroom set up for this workshop that you'll be following along live with me while we go step by step through the journey. It takes 3 months to grow mushrooms from scratch, but like growing a plant, a lot of that time is spent waiting for it to grow. Over those 3 months, we will have 5 live sessions covering 4 stages of growth and a 6th live session to cook up a recipe together. With our virtual classroom, which you have for life, you'll be able to access all of our resources, recorded videos, and ask all the questions you want. You'll get group access as well as personalized one-to-one access with me. By the end of this workshop, you will be comfortable growing your own mushrooms from scratch. The workshop begins mid-February, but you'll want to register early to get your grow kit on time. Registration is now open, so head on over to thinkfungi.org to register today.